Hello everyone, my name is Joy and I'm a freelance makeup artist, and today we're going to talk about under eye concealer that doesn't cake up. So a few things that you'll need are your concealers, your brushes, and a finishing powder. So the basic key to making sure that your concealer doesn't cake is, for one, to put it on in thin layers. So you just dip into your concealer, you gently dab under the eye, smooth it with your brush. So this is layer one. If you feel like you need more coverage, you can just go back in and add more. But you just don't want to put too much on at once. It should always be very blendable. So we've got it smoothed out here. Everything's looking pretty good and concealed. Got one little spot that I want to add a little more to. And I'm just going to take a little small dab, pressing it in. So with cream, sometimes you have to work it to get it to kind of lay down and do what you want it to. Going up under that line, the lash line there, and pressing. And then the most important step, what's going to keep it from caking, is to add that little layer of powder. And again, with the powder, just as we did with concealer, you don't want to go too heavy on it. So shake off the excess using a light fluffy brush. This is actually just an eyeshadow blending brush, very fluffy. And dusting right over that concealer. This is the step that's going to keep everything in place exactly where you want it to be. Okay, so follow these steps, you all, and you should have a flawless under eye concealer. No smudging, no caking. You're free to go about your day. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Joy, and have a good day.